Hello, good evening. So, in this video, we are going to be talking about dating rules and some points for dating. So, dating is a very important aspect of any relationship, and for people who want to make new connections or who want to enter in a new relationship or who are looking for potential partners, it is very important for them to date people and date the right kind of people. So if we have some rules which can help us making the dating situation a little more easy, as it can get complicated sometimes. So let's take a look at that. So dating can sometimes become a one-sided toxic relationship, or like a situationship where it's like a one-sided love and the other person is not willing to commit, or the other person is not willing to invest so much in you. So let's discuss a few points here which can help you in your dating relationship, in your dating situation, so that you can make the most out of it. So keep in mind always the rules which are more crucial for you to follow through. So dating multiple people is sometimes a very confusing thing, because some people agree to that while some people disagree. So in case if you are into casual dating, if you are not sure what kind of a person you are looking for, or if you have multiple options to date, you can meet people, you can meet potential partners, but on a one-on-one basis, where you keep some time gap, where you're not meeting too many people at the same time. If during the same week or during the same month, if you're meeting a lot of people, that can get really confusing. That will not allow you the time and space to introspect and to find out what exactly you are looking for and what kind of a person you should be going for. So if you're planning to choose to date multiple people, it is always better that you keep a good amount of time gap in between your dates with different people. That can really help you. The next one is keeping the dates short. So do not go for very long dates, like more than 180 minutes or anything like that. Like 1 hour or 90 minutes would be a good ideal time. You could go out for dates for that amount of time. That should be fine. Keeping the dates short, keeping the dating period simple, will be much better for you to deal with the other person and to understand the other person as well. Be upfront to the other person about wanting a relationship. It is very important that you express to the other person that you are looking for a serious committed relationship and not casual dating, if that is what you are looking for. So make it very clear in the first place. Make it very clear to the other person that you are looking for a commitment, you are looking for a committed relationship, and hence you would invest in the person only if the other person is on the same page. This is going to save your time, energy, is going to save you from the heartbreak that you might go through later if you figure out things. So make sure you remember this very important point and specify a person right from the beginning. The next one that we have here is avoid talking about exes on early dates. The next one that we have here is avoid talking about your exes on early dates. Be very specific about what you are looking for, and avoid talking about your past relationships or about your exes to the current person that you're dating or meeting, because that can be like a turn off, that can turn off the other person. So avoid doing this. The next one is there would be no need to send a thank you text to the other person if you are, if you have met them and if you have personally thanked them after meeting them, if you have expressed your warm thank you to the other person, your sincere thanks to the other person, if you've expressed it already in person when you met them, there would be no need to send an additional thank you message to the other person after the date. Because if you wish not to meet that person again, or if you wish to not pursue the other person any further, it would either confuse the other person or it would send a wrong signal to the other person. So be very mindful about that. Give them a couple of weeks to reach out. So now that time could vary from situation to situation. Sometimes some people need around 2 to 3 weeks. They need that kind of a break, that kind of a gap till the time they can reach out to you. With some people, they would maybe need like a longer period of time if they are busy, if they are traveling, if they are occupied with their work. But ideally, a period of 2 to 3 weeks should be fine if you allow that time for the other person to reach out to you, if you would like to meet them again. Intimacy in your first few dates without knowing the other person too well is strictly a no-no. You must not indulge or not get involved in any such situations, because it is very, very important that you know the other person well, you express your intentions to have a committed relationship, and then slowly build the bond, slowly get into a committed relationship, make it into an official relationship, and then think about starting your intimate relationship with that person. So this is a very, very important factor which causes a lot of heartbreak and pain and suffering in a lot of relationships for women. So please keep this in mind. So intimate relationships are a strict no-no. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.